Alright, so we got a little treat for you today. We're going to do an unboxing video. Recently did a rock trade, and going to give a shout out here to Tamara Hawthorne. We're going to not show the address there though. Tamara, thank you for the rocks. So we traded over some black hematite and red banded Jasper, it looks like. But she sent this whole box. I was expecting a much smaller box. Tamara, thank you very much. It's very generous. Well, let's find out what she sent us, shall we? And I know it's not as fun as the unbucketing video, but hey. All right.
Still.
It looks like we got newspaper.
That is
wait. The thing is there's all sorts of little things here. We got a little piece of quartz or something there. We'll put that down there. All right, let's find out what we got here. So, everything's wrapped up. We'll start.
Wow, these very nice rocks.
All right.
New type of rock, newspaper rock.
So what do we got here? We got some interesting stuff here. We've got. Wow, that's really cool. It's got green bands through it. Looks sedimentary, soft. Color is serpentine, but some other stuff there. I bet that's going to be pretty. Shirt. More shirt. Oh, little botroidal. Calcite crystals, or that's a piece of that. And then green riverstone. Piece of quartz with bedrock. All right, let's find out. Here we go. What did she send? Oh, some opalized something. Yeah, that looks kind of agate-y. Yeah, it's agate-y. No, it's not. It's
gray.
It feels opal-y. Well, that's really neat. Tamara, you're going to have to leave a comment and tell me what all these rocks are. All right, YouTube, let's see what we got here. Look at the crystals on that. What a neat specimen piece. This looks like...
Wait, yeah, there you go.
Right on. That's cool. We're getting some great coupons here. Look, $4.99 Dr. Pepper. All right. Here we go. This is heavy. This feels like... Oh, yeah. This is the red and black banded hematite.
Whoa, that's cool.
Yeah, this will be pretty. These are big enough we can throw on the saw, cut a few slabs out of them, and see what we get. So we'll do the video a little later where we do some of that.
Okay.
Oh, this is going to be gorgeous.
Your camera keeps blurring up.
Yeah, my camera kind of... It's about time for a new phone for me, I think. All right, next one. Well,
Doggo.
more of that quartz, and look at that. Really cool. Really neat stuff. Oh, look at this sea maggot. I was just hoping for a bunch of the hematite, but oh my gosh.
That kind of looks like a, well, one of those fragments.
Also, we get some of this stuff up by Kettle Falls. So that chalk like, that's really cool. Get those papers out of the way. All right, here we go. Let's open up the rest of these. Oh, look at this.
Oh, that's nice.
There's even some blue in there. Is that azurite? That blue? No, the light's not the best, guys, but it's a rainy day. Wow, there's some neat stuff here.
You can probably hear some rain
Did all
dripping in
this
the
come
background.
from down there in Arizona where you're at? Look at that Jasper.
Whoa.
Look at that Jasper. So I got to cut her a piece of this and make her something cool from it. We'll send that back to her.
Probably behaves better than Jasper.
Probably better behaved than the husky. Alright. We have a husky named Jasper. Look at that. Look at the bands in that. That is a pretty piece.
Tiger Jasper.
Yeah, almost like the Tiger Jasper. This is a black and red hematite. Stuff I have come from Washington. This stuff, this is from Arizona and it's different. Be really curious to see how that cuts. Another piece of that. Another piece of seam. This stuff is really cool. It's going to slice up. It's going to cab. We'll see what it cabs like. Make some cabochons out of it. Maybe some jewelry. Put a piece up on the shelf for display. One of these days I'll show you guys my shelf. I think I'm going to let my buddy Jared come do a video. He might like to do the shelf. Oh, this is a neat piece of pet wood. Yeah, it's much different than the stuff we have up here in the Northwest. It has a little more quartz in it. That's a neat piece of Arizona petrified wood right there. Alright. Let's round up these ads. Put those back in the box. Alright, Tamara, when I send down your other piece, I'm going to send you a bonus box. That's pretty good rock trade there.
You hold on for this just a minute.
Absolutely.
The rocks that we get from Washington.
Yeah, that's just one of our basic rocks. We sent her some of our nicer stuff. We sent her some thunder eggs, sent her something really kind of rare, and some other good fun stuff. But this is an awesome rock trade. Thank you so much. Fantastic. We're going to do some really cool stuff with it. That Jasper is just wild. Man, that'd be every color in that Jasper. This one's really kind of neat, and that speck of blue there, if it's in the rock and not on the rock, I don't know if you can see that. That could be really cool. Black hematite. This twirl stuff. A couple pieces of chert. Really cool. This is neat. I might have to clean some of the calcium off that and see what we get. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching our channel. Thanks for subscribing. Please share with your friends. We're trying to grow this thing. I mean, we're not going to be huge YouTube stars, but you know, we really have fun doing it. It's kind of enjoyable, and we hope you enjoy it too. All right, bye.